Like, what? Who said what? Huh?
I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well.
Okay, so guys, I made my very first wig. I was kind of nervous when I was making it because I was like, now what if I get done and it's not how I want it to look, and all of that and all of that and all of that and all of that. But it actually turned out pretty good, and most of you guys have noticed it in the background of my videos. Y'all was like, like, you got a wig, like, are you gonna make a video or what? But for my first time, I did not make a video because I didn't want to, I don't know, I just wanted to get the hang of it first before I recorded it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So this is what she is looking like. So guys, if you watched my Nadula hair review, then you know that this hair is from Nadula Hair, and that this is the 2022, 22, and 18 closure Peruvian deep wave hair. And yeah, this definitely wasn't gonna match with my real hair, so I just decided to make a wig because I felt like that was the only way I was gonna possibly be able to wear this hair. When I was making this wig, I feel like I overplucked. So I'm just going to go back in. I'm going to show you guys how you can fix that and how you can make your part look more like your natural hair. And no, I did not bleach the knots. I didn't do any of that extra stuff. I just basically just sewed it on a weave cap. Is that what it's called? Weave cap? I hope that's what it's called. But yeah, I just sewed it on there or whatever. So yeah, so I'm just going to change the camera's angle and we're going to start. So all I do is take some mascara and I dip a small makeup brush into it, and then I just clean up the part with that. To make the scalp look a little bit more like mine, I just take some concealer and I just go down the part with it, and this just makes it look like a real scalp. Okay, so as far as my real hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put my hair back into a low ponytail, and I have a middle part because that's where the part on the wig is gonna be. So now I'm just gonna take my wig and I'm gonna put it on. So now that you have it on, you want to adjust it, make sure it's in the right spot. So to make this wig look less wiggy, I'm just gonna pull out some of my own baby hairs. Like so. These definitely aren't baby hairs. I did not mean to pull out this much, but it's fine. So now I'm just gonna take my toothbrush and I'm gonna swoop my baby hairs. So I'm gonna take this same brush that I used for the part and I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer on it, and I'm just gonna blend this to you just want to play with it until you feel like it looks as realistic as you want it. I normally have foam to like lay the hair down up here, but I ran all out of foam, so I'm just gonna take some water and hopefully this works. Yeah, it worked. So all I did to this hair after I made the wig, I just washed it and I let it air dry, and this is exactly how it looks. So this is the texture. The texture definitely didn't change whatsoever. I love this hair. It's like really light and like flowy, but I want it bigger. So I'm just gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna like tease at some parts and comb it out to make it a little bit bigger. See the difference from this side and this side? It's like a huge difference. So yeah, this hair has absolutely no product in it whatsoever except for the water that I just put in it. And yeah, I love it. Look at it. It's like, what? Who said what? Huh? All the links to this hair is going to be listed in the description box. I just wanted to show you guys how I put on my wig and how I fixed it and all of that jazz. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please get out of my mouth. Then please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment and tell me how you think I did on my first wig. And yeah, I'm also need y'all to follow me on Instagram at kashiajabre, and also add me on Snapchat at cashbaby. This definitely will not be the last time that y'all see this wig, but I'm checking out. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love all of you, and
I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well.